Hello to all the professional welders out there. We're thrilled to welcome you back to our unboxing video series. Today, Hongqi is excited to introduce our brand new TIG welder, the TIG200PRO. Upon unboxing, you'll find a complete accessory kit that includes one TIG welding torch with a 4-meter connection cable, one grounding clamp with a 2-meter connection cable, one welding pliers with a 3-meter connection cable, one warranty card, and one user manual. And of course, the TIG200PRO comes in the signature blue of the Hongqi Pro series. The TIG200PRO is a premium product with impressive output specifications, delivers a powerful 200 amp output, capable of TIG welding with tungsten rods from 1.6 millimeters to 2.4 millimeters, supports MMA, stick welding, with rods ranging from 2.6 millimeters to 5 millimeters, allows for continuous operation for 2 minutes at normal temperature for both TIG and MMA functions. The connection cables for the welding pliers and grounding clamp are made of 100% copper, enhancing conductivity and durability during use. Thanks to its robust power, the TIG200PRO meets the demands of both home use and light industrial applications, excelling in steel structure construction and effectively handling steel and stainless steel materials. It's particularly suited for projects that require high aesthetic standards in welds. In terms of design, the TIG200PRO boasts a modern and elegant appearance, ensuring user convenience. The 8 rounded corners provide solid protection for safe transport and operation, giving you peace of mind against impacts. Additionally, it features a safe powder-coated finish to prevent electrical leakage. The layout of the control buttons on the front of the machine is incredibly intuitive. Here you'll find a precise display gauge for monitoring the welding current, allowing for easy control of welding intensity via the adjustment knob, an overheating indicator that protects the device when internal temperatures rise, a simple switch to toggle between TIG and MMA welding methods, and to select the 2T/4T mode for TIG welding. No need to hold the trigger throughout the welding process. In 4T mode, just press and release the trigger once to initiate the arc ignition and welding, and press and release it a second time to finish. It's that easy. Anyone can operate it. Another special feature of the TIG200PRO is the built-in pre-gas and post-gas modes for enhanced welding protection. Notably, within the first 0.5 seconds of pressing the trigger, protective gas is released before the arc ignites. After the arc is extinguished, gas flow continues to ensure the weld area remains protected, extending the life of the tungsten electrode and preventing black soot from forming on the weld. Furthermore, the TIG200PRO is equipped with a high-frequency ignition system, making the arc ignition process exceptionally smooth and effortless. For optimal performance, the tungsten electrode should be positioned approximately 5 to 10 millimeters away from the workpiece. This minimizes electrode contamination and enhances arc stability, protecting the tungsten. And of course, since all our products are designed, manufactured, and produced in Vietnam, customers can be confident in our warranty policy. The TIG200PRO comes with an official warranty of up to 18 months from Hongqi. Additionally, we are currently implementing an electronic warranty system for all welding machines nationwide. So, when making a purchase, don't forget to activate your warranty at the point of sale to ensure your rights. If you encounter any issues during use, simply pick up the phone and contact our hotline at +84 28 73 036 536 for quick assistance. If you're interested in the TIG200PRO, be sure to reach out to the hotline displayed on the screen or visit our official website, www.hongqi.com. For now, thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time.